G'day, just wanted to share something which might be of interest. This is a walkthrough of an electric vehicle charging station in a basement car park in Emu Bank. So we just did an open home upstairs for a 2-bedroom Lakeview apartment, and I thought this was interesting. This building is 10 years old and has an EV charging station. So 18% of vehicles apparently sold in the ACT last year were electric vehicles, and we're finding people are struggling a bit who live in apartments. No problem if you've got a house, just set up your charger. But for people that live in apartment buildings or who are looking to buy into apartment buildings, say that even just 3 years old, there's no EV charging. And sometimes the body corporate isn't keen on it because of battery fires. But here is a building that's 10 years old, and they have set up an EV charging station. So I just wanted to show you around. So here we are. This is the Altitude building, and they have set up three bays for EV charging, and you have to pre-arrange it with the building manager. But there's a smartphone app, and there's Wi-Fi to let you connect, although, because I have had some connectivity problems down here. And so I just thought I'd show you what these look like. Actually, I think might be 4 bays, but here's a car sucking down some juice. And apparently the billing software can charge you if you leave your car here too long, but at the moment they're not charging you, but they're saying it can be done. So there we go. That's 3 charging bays in an underground car park, retrofitted in Canberra.